Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix an error which is for security and performance. This mode of Windows only runs Microsoft verified apps in Windows 11. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is at the bottom search bar, please type for settings. The moment you have typed it, please proceed with the best matched and wait until it would appear here. Go ahead, open once it's there. You can also use the shortcut which is Windows and I key together, and in that manner that would lead you to the settings here in your Windows, okay? So once you have opened your settings, please proceed at the left side of it where you can see a list of the options. Where here you need to look for apps next to personalization, tap on it, and the moment you have opened this applications tab or apps tab, you need to proceed to the second option which is advanced app settings where here you can choose where to get apps, archive apps, and uninstall updates. Now tap on it, and here you would be able to see a list of the options. Where here you need to go and choose where to get apps. Okay? And aligning to that, you would be able to see an option which is this, where here you need to click this down arrow and select on anywhere. Okay? One of the main factor why you faced or why you experience an error is that why you encountered error is that you have set that into the Microsoft only. So whenever you download an application or program from any software or yes browser aside from Microsoft, you won't be able to install or run that specific application or program that you have installed. Okay? So in order to fix your problem, set it into anywhere so that you can install any application from across platforms, from across browsers, or any website that you have accessed your application with. Okay? So click on anywhere, and the moment you click on it, your user account control will ask you to say yes, proceed with yes, so that you would be able to set it into anywhere. In this manner, you would be able to run the program, which even if it's not from Microsoft Store application. Okay, so that's it. Simply close this window and try to install again the program that you have installed in not in Microsoft Store. So do a right click, scroll down and run as administrator. And if your user account control will yes, just simply proceed yes so that you can now start uninstalling the program or application. Okay, so click on continue and just have to complete the prompt, the setup there, and you would be able to install that application or program here in your Windows. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.